You're off by about 6. 12. Starting to see why Leon outboxed you. Stupid bird stole my hat. I just can't see why it's such a big deal for you to say, hey, Doc. Why don't you just walk away like that?
You're pretty. He's a pretty boy.
I do admit he looks pretty fat in your gang car.
Hey, everybody, they're about to pick the lottery numbers. And remember that when we win, kiss a family.
He's a pretty boy.
Mrs. Espinosa, Mr. Foster's cough is getting worse and Dr. Dorian's gone. Dr. Reed's covering, but she's sort of indisposed.
Kid, I'm about to become a millionaire. Call Dr. Turk. He's a surgeon on call. You're missing out. I bet there's plenty of things you could do with $100 million.
Oh, come on, you gotta make that shot.
Smile.
I'm watching the game.
Oh, cutie.
Sweetie, you want to get naughty? I don't.
I can wait another day. Button up and watch the game.
He's so pretty. He's so
I
pretty.
gotta call my glass guy.
Mrs. Brown, I want you to know how sorry I
Oh,
am
pretty.
and her husband, but we are two women who have both been wronged and both been lied to, and the healthiest thing for us to do right now is to walk away from each other with our dignity intact. Don't you agree? Do you know what I do with whores? I punch them.
What?
Bring it, bitch.